Looking for the Korky Strongarm 6071 fill valve handle is easy if you know where to look. The Korky Strongarm 6071 is a durable replacement handle designed for two-handle toilet trip levers, and it is often used because of its steel arm and plastic pivot, which reduces flex and wear. Start by confirming your current handle configuration by removing the tank lid and checking whether the trip lever connects directly to the flapper chain or uses a separate lift wire. For a straightforward swap, bring the old handle to the store or take a clear photo so staff can match the spline size and mount style. Many handles use a universal spline, but sizes vary. If you buy online, measure the handle hole spacing and the thickness of the tank wall and compare those dimensions with the product listing to avoid returns. When installing, turn off the water supply and flush to drain most water, then disconnect the chain or lift wire before loosening the retaining nut inside the tank. Note that the inside nut is usually reverse threaded on many tanks, so turn it the opposite way from normal. Tighten the new handle until it is snug, but do not over-tighten, because porcelain can crack and plastic threads can strip, and check that the handle moves freely and that the chain has a slight upward slack to allow a full flush without dragging. Common issues include buying the wrong spline or mount, which causes a loose or non-functional fit, so bring your old part or detailed photos and confirm return policies. Another problem is over-tightening the retaining nut, which can crack the tank or strip threads, so hand tighten then small increments with a wrench, while checking alignment is the safest approach. Thirdly, incorrect chain length can cause weak flushes or constant running. Adjust the chain so there is about 1/4 inch of slack when the flapper is seated, so the flapper seals properly and the handle has full travel. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by category and location, and it connects contractors with project leads that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share installation tips, product sourcing advice, and vendor experiences.